finance piece, and then there is an operating lease.
There are internal auditors everywhere. Then how did that Vijay Mallya fraud even happen?
Gross profit will give me the sales.
Are internal auditors as independent as external auditors?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Financial Management class. So today we're going to start a new chapter, that is Financial Markets and Treasury Function. So let's start discussing about Financial Markets and Treasury Function. So, when I talk about a market, what do you understand by the term market? Often the word market is denoted by the term it is a place where two or more people come together and they, exchange goods and services, right? But can I say these days the definition of market has changed. You really don't need a place for two people to come together and do a transaction, right? It is more of a system these days. So when I talk about the term market, it is a very wide term, right? There is a vegetable market, fish market, and what not. And that is why we are being very specific over here. That is, we're talking about the financial markets. Now, when I talk about the financial markets, here, who are the people who are involved in a financial market? It is the financial institutions. Alright, so the entire financial system is an umbrella which covers the following aspects. That is, here we're going to discuss about the financial markets, and the financial institutions, and financial securities. Okay. So when I talk about financial markets, here we're going to talk about the capital market, the money market, the various different types of markets like your commodities market, derivatives market, insurance market. So all of these markets are something that comes under the umbrella of financial markets. And who are the people who are involved in these financial markets? It is the financial institutions like your banks, insurance companies, merchant banks, the pension funds. So these are the people who are involved in your financial institutions. And what is the term financial securities? Now, in UK and US, when they use the word securities, it simply means investments, like how we say investment, right? Similarly, this term securities is used for investment. And what kind of financial securities are they talking about over here? It could be your equity shares, your bonds, your bills, your mortgages. All of these are some of the investments, which we call it as financial securities. So all of this together is the financial system, right? And what is the role of this financial system? What do they do? The role of these financial system is to channel funds from borrowers and lenders. So basically, what do? They take the funds from the ones who want to invest and give the funds to those people who are in need of it, right? So that is the basic system of lending and borrowing which the entire financial system is known for. And also it provides a mechanism for payments, right? It provides a mechanism for payments. And apart from that, it also is playing a major major role in creating liquidity. Like today, if I need money, I can just go to the bank and withdraw my FD and I get liquidity. So they are also very important players in creating liquidity and money.